absolutely critical. Though many people underestimate the role of IT for a BPO company like WNS, let's face it, we work across 6 locations in India. We work across 6 or 7 different countries. We work across multiple time zones. We run 24/7 operations, highly complex kind of an operation. And therefore, the role of IT in terms of making sure we have the right technology, the right choice of providers, the right choice of partners is absolutely critical to make sure we run a seamless kind of an operation. In fact, we invest a lot in making sure we have absolutely the best information technology backbone at the company. First thing we do is to control the kind of people we take into the company. So that's the first level of security kind of control or check. Thereafter, we're extremely focused on ensuring that in terms of training, our values of the company are all the time percolated down to each and every one of our employees. Beyond that, on the technology side, we have invested, like I said, dramatically in terms of the IT solutions and the highest end in terms of data security. And I must tell you, not only do we practice it within the company, what we also do is we actually help disseminate this message outside of the company. So I'm not sure if you're aware that on behalf of NASSCOM, WNS is the company that actually ran the cyber security training for the Maharashtra State Police in the state over the last one whole year. And therefore, if there are more cases being solved from a cyber security point of view in the state of Maharashtra, I'd like to think that both NASSCOM and WNS actually plays a small part in that success. Our CIO, Sanjay Jain, is also the head of our entire transformation area of the business. So transformation actually is a very important part of our day-to-day running of the business, and therefore we chose the same person to handle that for our clients as well as the whole area of technology within the company. And in fact, I spend a lot of time with him and his team in terms of understanding why we are choosing a particular technology solution, what we are investing in it, and how are we sweating those assets. Because it's not enough to just buy assets. You've got to use every feature of those assets. And at WNS, I can tell you, our focus and our use of technology is absolutely outstanding. First of all, it must be simple. I'm not the kind of guy who will go for the most complex technology solution. It must be simple. My CIO and his team should be able to explain what we are getting out of that solution to a layperson like me, frankly. That's one. The second is we always look to see what are the features that we are buying, and if we are, by buying that particular asset, taking a leapfrog position against any competitor for the next few years. That's second. The third is it must be completely seamless for our clients. Our clients must not really understand what is the technology behind it. They must just sleep well at night understanding that WNS has invested in the best people and the best technology. And the fourth is the payback, the return on investment. We always look to see what are the financial implications, though I would say that's actually the fourth and not the first. Innovation is the differentiator between each company. And at WNS, we take that subject extremely, we are very focused on that subject. So we actually run a program called Brainwave and another program called Fusion at the company. And really the focus is how are we mining the mind of each and every one of our employees and creating an atmosphere where they are not focused on just delivering the here and now, but are constantly coming up with new business-related solutions for our clients. And then we take that back to our clients and then show them how these can actually cause a huge impact to their top lines and their bottom lines. So if you ask me, innovation is something that cannot be dictated, but it has to be driven top-down from the CEO. And we create an environment where every one of our 22,000 people are always thinking beyond just the process and focusing on what can they do more to help our clients win and be successful in terms of their top line and their bottom line. We are the leader in the travel business, right? And so we understand the travel business exceedingly well. We understand the airline business particularly, very, very well. And we work across a number of airlines. It's really interesting. one of the biggest problems that people face is they get on a plane, they land the other side, and their bags don't reach them, right?
Yeah.
How many times has it happened to you? So you
Yeah.
go stand at that conveyor belt for 45 minutes and your bag doesn't come, you file a missing luggage report, you go away. Our team actually, realized that the only people who will know whether a bag is in the plane or not is the airline itself. So they actually came up with this new path-breaking idea, which when you look at it is actually extremely simple, but nobody asked them to give that idea. They came back and actually came up with a new solution where they said, look, you guys know that this bag is not on the plane. Instead, can you offer a new service to your client so that as soon as he or she lands on the other side, you're sending him an SMS saying that your bag is on the plane, just go and file your address in such and such location, we'll drop the bag off to you. That actually helped in growing that airline's revenue, because by word of mouth, passengers actually started saying, you know what, this is a very smart company. Why didn't anyone think of this before? That idea came from WNS.